everyone. Hey, I'm headed inside. I've been thinking about how I'm going to be packing up this ponytail palm tree that I created. So why don't you come in with me and get your wire, put me in the background, and watch me figure out how I'm gonna pack this beautiful ponytail palm. Now this ponytail palm has a center opening and I want to secure it as far as getting it to the customer. So my first attempt, well, we'll see. Okay, it is just so beautiful outside. I did take a bunch of pictures, so I'm going to edit what you're going to see, and I'm going to be outside editing it. I hope that you'll get some benefit from it. I've got a bunch of videos for packing up wire trees and how I go about it. They aren't pretty, but it's practical, and basically it ensures me knowing that the tree that I created is going to get to its destination just the way I want it to get there without any incident. All right, so I hope that you'll enjoy this. Again, it's a voiceover of what I did while packing up this tree. My first thoughts as far as packing up this tree was to fill it with the piece that would match the same shape. So I cut out two pieces, one bigger than the other with flaps, and guess what? Nope, that did not work. So next step, I decided to use a piece of plastic bubble or one of those air bubbles made of plastic and wrapped cardboard around it. You can see the centerpiece that I was trying to fill earlier. And then taking paper, pushing that paper up into the crown of the tree first, and then extra paper in between the cardboard and that upper piece of wrapped paper underneath the crown. Yes, you know me, I use a lot of paper. There you go. Another piece of paper to wrap all the way around, secure it, and then small pieces of paper in between the branches, or in this case, the fronds of the tree, so they do not crunch up together, lay on top. Everything is separated. And then paper over the top to secure all those little pieces of paper that I put into the fronds of that tree. Came along pretty nicely. And then of course bubble wrap all around. And I always write a nice little note on the tree as it has arrived for the customer, all bubbled up. There you go. That's how I do it. Okay, so that's how I pack up a palm tree most of the time, but every single tree that I create is different. So just to give you an idea of what it's like when I pack up a tree, the time it takes, thinking it out, the whole 9 yards. I hope that you enjoyed this short packing up a pine tree. No. Oh my God. Did I just say pine tree? I meant palm tree. Really, Carol? It must be a senior moment. Is that what happens when you turn 60 something? Well, that's what I'm going to chalk it up as. Yeah, so I hope that you're having an awesome day, and we will talk soon.